Jumpo TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Masicka, one side to the landslide swamp. Also, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, world boss, and we want to talk about big promoter Irish and Chin, where always I keep the best sound clash in a Jamaica dead before dishonor. People, Irish and Chin expose Vybz Kartel in the wickedest way, and how Vybz Kartel I use levels card and strategy pan Massacre. Seeing, and also the Gaza fan them attack Massacre. Enough artists in a dancehall unfollow Massacre on Instagram. The system where Massacre was a part, the Vybz Kartel gatekeeping system where Massacre go up against right now, the same system beat Massacre and Massacre life, Massacre dancehall career as well. Massacre being able to provide for his family right now is at risk, and right now Massacre career in a danger, and Massacre figure build him fan base, step up the war with Tommy Lee Wicked, and also step up the war with Vybz Kartel Wicked. So first we are going to talk about Irish and Chin expose Vybz Kartel, and then we come back and talk about the fight where Massacre go get 2026, and the fight where Massacre get right now, and how Massacre I figure elevate him career and use the whole alkaline method for run dancehall and work around them gatekeeper. So people, Irish and Chin, I talk about Vybz Kartel and how Vybz Kartel I use levels card for Massacre. Irish I say the same thing where Vybz Kartel I do to Massacre right now, Vybz Kartel do it to Aidonia. When Aidonia did I go wicked back in the day, lyrical where them say Aidonia and Vybz Kartel are the most lyrical artists in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel use the same levels card for Aidonia and drown out Aidonia with his fame and his celebrity status. The man no respond to Aidonia, none at all. The man knows if he did go in a lyrical confrontation with Aidonia, enough people would respect and rate Aidonia. Even if Vybz Kartel did win, it would make Aidonia into a bigger star, because Aidonia would get crazy looking. Even if Vybz Kartel win, no fans still would say Aidonia put up a good fight and Aidonia hold him on. So Vybz Kartel drown out the clash there with Aidonia, basically run from Aidonia. Even when Vybz Kartel and Movado did a war, Vybz Kartel did feel like say Movado no dey on him level. Vybz Kartel never expect the fight when get get it from Movado, because remember Vybz Kartel write about 5 songs for Movado, but Movado use melody, Movado use flow. Movado was very creative. At one point in the clash, Movado a deal with Vybz Kartel so wicked with melody, where Vybz Kartel did a chat some lyrics. People couldn't hear what Vybz Kartel a say. So Vybz Kartel did have to tone down and copy Movado style, cause Vybz Kartel did just a DJ, Movado was a sing J. So Movado can sing and DJ melodies and hooks. Vybz Kartel did full of lyrics like Badman, look man, and Vybz Kartel have to slow it down and start sing and start add some melody, and then we start hear Vybz Kartel clearer. So Movado push Vybz Kartel to the limit and force Vybz Kartel to get creative. Even after Vybz Kartel, back in them days, they fin go up on a rhythm and he drop a song. And in here, you drop a song well wicked and for him. Vybz Kartel have to go back go drop a next song. I saw Vybz Kartel used to work. All 2 and 3 song on the rhythm. Fi take your rhythm. So Movado help build Kartel and Vybz Kartel help build Movado. When you talk about Kartel, you talk about Movado. So Vybz Kartel no one give Aidonia that look there at that Irish and China say. But Irish and China say Masicka actually back Vybz Kartel into a corner where Vybz Kartel either figure walk left him or Vybz Kartel fight. But at the end of the day, enough people still are going to say Masicka hold him on and getting respect. Because back in before now, we used to say Masicka run from Aidonia, run from Alkaline, and just run all over the place. And now we seen step to Tamili and a fight. And we are saying Masicka continue the fight because enough people are rate you. Enough people are support you. Enough people are see how creative Masicka be. Masicka just need to add some more melody and some more style. But he's a very creative artist and he's bad. And Vybz Kartel know that. Masicka need a fan base again to need to create a fan base where can fight for him and defend him. But Vybz Kartel a join out Masicka right now because Vybz Kartel know say Masicka is not a pushover and Vybz Kartel no want Masicka to be bigger than how he be right now. At the end of the day, Masicka no really have nothing to lose once he stand up and fight, because enough Gaza fans are going to hate him and some Gaza fans are going to rate him. And when you talk about clash, you have to go talk about him and Tamili and you have to go say run it from Vybz Kartel and all of that. So Vybz Kartel no want Masicka to be bigger than how he be. But when Masicka do right now, step to Vybz Kartel, step to the system, enough people, Masicka earn them respect. So Irish and Chin say what Vybz Kartel a do, a tragedy in a war. Vybz Kartel a drown out Masicka. So Masicka now at the end of the day, if he win Kartel in a clash, him a go get bigger. If Kartel no answer him, him a go stay upon the same level. But Vybz Kartel no want Masicka to be bigger than how Masicka be. At that Irish and Chin I say. Also, Masicka now and the system where they in a dancehall. Masicka step to Kartel and Masicka diss up Kartel and a style Kartel. Whole heap of people have problem with it. Like the Spice them, the Russian them, the Shandstorm, the Black Rhino and all of that. Yes, once you step to Vybz Kartel, in kids them, in Gaza camp them are gonna roll out. But enough people in the system will eat off of Vybz Kartel or them want link with Vybz Kartel or them want connection with Vybz Kartel. Them people are gonna sell out Masicka. Them people where did I give Masicka strength because him say Gaza genocide. All of them people are turn them back for Masicka. Enough artists are unfollow Masicka. Like the Spice them are unfollow Masicka. The Russian them are unfollow Masicka. Masicka go have it hard. Pause in a 2026. Masicka have to go come up with a system for himself. Just like how Alkaline have him own a system. A year's dancehall a fight Alkaline. People where Alkaline no do nothing. People where Alkaline never say a word to. But because them people are loyal to Gaza, for years them fight Alkaline. Enough selector fight Alkaline. Enough disc jockey fight Alkaline. Enough producer fight Alkaline. So Alkaline build him own a system where him have him own a DJ them, him own a blogger, him own a producer, and plus Alkaline keep him own a show. New rules. So Alkaline no need them in a dance hall. See? So the one them we say Gaza and the one them we rate Kartel when no rate Alkaline because Alkaline never bow to Kartel. Them same people that fight Alkaline for years. And Alkaline say the pain and the hate and the fight turn him into somebody when love. So Alkaline go up against Vybz Kartel, go up against Beenie Man, go up against Bounty Killer, and them no rate Alkaline. So Alkaline create him one system and go around the system. So Masicka need to continue copy Alkaline and build him own a system where he no need them. All him need is for him own a DJ them. Work with some young youths where a promoter, work with some young producer, create him own a show and create him own a system. But first him need to build a fan base. Him need to stop being so coward. Do what he have to do in a dancehall, brawling. Step to the hole of the gatekeeper, them brawling. And do what he have to do so he can create some fans. We are going to respect and love him and promote him and support him. Once he build a fan base, like how Alkaline have Vendetta, Movado have Gully, in we good in a dancehall. Because enough of them are yes man in a dancehall. Because them no want in a problem with cartel. And they no want a food supply fi cut off. So enough of them are going to fight Masicka. And when Masicka say, to Vybz Kartel or about Vybz Kartel, enough of the Gaza fans them out here are threaten the youth life. That's why Masicka say anyhow him fall at the same day Gaza have to fall. Cause you know enough yes man out there where them jumpy, where them want even step on the stuff. Even if cartel not tell them are going to prove themselves. If you say yes, them are the real killy and this and that. So Masicka have to beef up him security same way, and he can't trust none of them. No make none of them come in too close. Pause. But the system where Vybz Kartel create and where Vybz Kartel go they go see. You see him system where I make crazy money off of him. What if Kartel say no want the pan a show where Masicka depend, the promoter, producer, them are go say alright, we now use him. What if it's a rhythm? Them now go use Masicka. So enough rhythm where Kartel depend, where Masicka could and depend him a go get fight. So once him build him camp, once him build up in catalog, once him build up himself as an artist, every rhythm when he want go pan, he can go pan because he's that guy. Or if them no want him pan the rhythm, work with your producer them so you don't need them. At that Masicka have to do. Once you rely upon them problem, I go did it. Masicka, if a man teach you to fish, you now go hungry again. But if a man always a fish for you, once him cut off the fish supply, you go hungry. So once you continue to lean pan cartel and Gaza fans them, once he move in fan base problem, I go did it. So you have to build the one side, promote the one side, keep your own show, get some young producer, get some promoter and work with them and build your own thing. And that you have to do. Cause Masicka, the fight is coming. Enough of them artists that will rate Vybz Kartel now go work with Masicka. Enough of the producer them will rate Vybz Kartel now go work with Masicka. Enough of the promoter them, this jockey selector, them now go work with Masicka. And we know Vybz Kartel is a man who carry feelings. He might behave like saying change him life. No, in change a page in the book. Vybz Kartel is the same book. In just change a page. And Vybz Kartel is a man who carry people in their heart. For years him now go Lego hit. Probably depend a level right now when just want to focus on him money and him tour or whatsoever. So you don't want to create certain problem for lose certain show. But at the end idea, Vybz Kartel is still Vybz Kartel. So when you need for do Masicka, keep your foot on Vybz Kartel short. Continue to keep your foot on Tamale short. Don't ease up. Continue diss them. Continue drop bad man song. Continue do your own thing. And enough people are going to respect your Masicka. Enough people are going to rate you. Enough of the Gaza fans them too are going to switch. Because if people continue come out and this cartel like Jashi, Masicka and other people, And the Gaza fans say Kartel nah run out or Kartel nah step to certain people. The people them a go get tired of him. No fine fans them a go switch. Remember say them a sheep. But at the end of the day, they love him for bad man song them. And they love him for clash thing. They love him for the way how him behave. But some of them a go switch and get boring and say where this a old man a go, where this a grandpa a go. So Massacre, you have to put your foot pa Vybz Kartel throat. When I think where Irish and Chin say Vybz Kartel is not running dancehall. Vybz Kartel a do some big show and sell out some arena. But Irish and Chin say from Vybz Kartel come from prison. And now Vybz Kartel no find a hit song. Kartel drop almost 100 songs. Kartel no have no song where run dancehall at the Alkaline and the Massacre them a run dancehall and the younger youth them are down at Jamaica panny ground and them a run dancehall and them a find the hit song them and them a find the bad song. All no Kartel no find it. Remember Shaggy and Sean Paul them crazy streaming big show, but I know them a run the ground. I know them a run dancehall. And some of the younger youth them right now, like a skipper them, a run dancehall. Skipper them out there, do it. The hot youth them on the ground. Vybz Kartel no find a big song for he come from prison. Me no know when did he in there right. But everybody seen come out and say, we don't know the Kartel ya, or which Kartel this, or where them do clone him. We don't know our guan. But everything where people are talking about Kartel and nostalgia, 10 years ago, 13 years ago, 15 years ago, that the Kartel that them know. But this a new Kartel will come out, now show no evidence of being the old school, hardcore, clash, gun lyrics, Kartel. So probably them days they fade away. So probably that's why you know want answer Massacre. Probably that's why you know want answer Alkaline. Because him not in a prime again. And him all up. Him probably can't manage clash them way there. So we know the man sick and all of that. So probably he left that back in ideas. So people tell me what they think in the comment section. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.